आमितोफो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है 4 अक्टूबर 2025। सुबह के 7:30 बज रहे हैं। दिस इज़ आवर डे 3 ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। फर्स्ट कर सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ, यस डे 3 ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। एंड काफ़ी कुछ ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया है हमने। ये जो हम कोर्स कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ एन एडवांस लेवल ऑफ रैट, जो कि एक मैट्रिक्स है, गोल्डन गूज मैट्रिक्स, विच वॉज टॉट टू शीफू बाय सीफू पॉल बूना, जिन्होंने रैट सिस्टम बनाया था। दिस इज़ बेसिकली 10 टेक्निक्स से आप 10,000 मूव्स लर्न कर सकते हो बिकॉज ऑफ द टेबल एंड द मैट्रिक्स दैट शीफू ने समझाया था पिछले 2 दिन में। ऑब्वियसली इफ यू नॉट फेमिलियर विद दिस, पीपल विल थिंक कि भाई ये कैसे पॉसिबल है, बट इट्स एक्चुअली जस्ट परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सेवरल टेक्निक्स, सेवरल मेथड्स दैट यू हैव अवेलेबल, सेवरल टूल्स, एंड ऐसे 10 करके काफ़ी हैं। तो कोई भी परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन बना के यू कैन कंबाइन मूव्स एंड या। तो कल हमने एक फ्लो किया था जो शीफू का SKC फ्लो है, उसी के अंदर वी आर स्लोली इंसर्टिंग अटैक्स, वी आर स्लोली इंट्रोड्यूसिंग लॉक्स। तो बहुत सारे लोग ये देख के आर्ग्यू करेंगे, ब्रो दिस डजंट वर्क इन अ रियल फाइट। इफ यू लुक एट रेसलर्स पम्बलिंग, इफ यू लुक एट बॉक्सर्स डूइंग स्पीड बैग, वो कोऑर्डिनेशन रिदम बिल्ड कर रहे होते हैं। यू डोंट ऑलवेज फाइट लाइक दैट। किसी को आप ऐसे फाइट नहीं करोगे, ठीक है। दे आर लीडिंग यू टू बिल्ड सर्टेन एट्रीब्यूट्स जो कि आपको रियल फाइट में हेल्प करेंगे। सो व्हेन अ रेसलर और लेट्स जैसे अ ग्रैपलर कनेक्ट्स टू यू, तो हाउ टू रीडायरेक्ट दैट एनर्जी, आपको क्या उस मोमेंट में आप करना है, नेचुरली इंस्टिंक्ट जो से बिल्ड करना है। दिस हेल्प्स यू ट्रेमेंडसली टू एक्चुअली अचीव दैट। कि जब आपको ये फ्लो ऑफ पुश फील हो रहा है, या फिर अगर आप पंबल जाते हुए दिख रहा है कि आपने बेबी क्रेडल कर लिया, उसके बाद यू हैव एन आर्म लॉक अवेलेबल, उसके बाद यू हैव एन आउटसाइड एल्बो लॉक अवेलेबल, इट जस्ट बिकम सेकंड नेचर। तो उसके लिए ये सारी ड्रिल्स हैं, सो दैट व्हेन यू फाइंड इट यू गेट इट, you don't have to think about. But anyway, काफ़ी रैंट कर लिया मैंने. I'll go back to my training and this is pretty much our morning session for today. Just revising जो भी 2 दिन में किया and building a flow out of it.
How will you get to this sequence? Through the Hubert, if this is drilling. But if I want to get the locks, right, which was my lock flow, and we only did one, I can go into the other locks from the Hubert also, which is where you are learning your arm drags, right? Angel carry the wood, right?
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, go. I haven't put you in a lock.
है थोड़ा तो.
अच्छा थोड़ा सा है.
हाँ.
बड़ा तो
नहीं, छूट रहा है अभी.
तुम्हारा छूट कैसे जा रहा है?
हाँ.
Okay, so in Hubert you have to be able to apply all of these.
Guys, breakfast time. 8:50 हो रहे हैं. तो 3 अंडे, होल एग्स, 18 ग्राम प्रोटीन, 1 स्कूप, दैट इज 28 ग्राम्स. 28 + 18 मेक्स इट 46, है ना?
Guys, grab a calculator and check, please.
है ना? चलो, और बाकी देखते हैं कार्ब्स और फैट्स में आज क्या बना है. मेरे अकॉर्डिंगली आज शायद पोहा होएगा. तो भाई मैं अपनी प्रेडिक्शन हार चुका हूँ. आज पोहा नहीं, मैक्रोनी जिसे हम बोलते हैं, वो है.
The Italians on Sid's profile will hate him.
इटालियंस तो शायद नहीं देख रहे.
You never know.
एंड साथ में है हमारे काले चने, छोले, सम मोर. ओए कड़ी पत्ता, तेज पत्ता, सॉरी. नाउ 3 अंडे. ओए yes, 1 scoop protein that we'll have later. Some drizzle. That is our good brekkie, guys. इसका थोड़ा हम और पोर्शन लेंगे. इसमें होंगे लगभग 40 ग्राम कार्ब. Another 25 grams of carbs is about 30 grams of chana. Good carbs, fats, protein dense meal. Turn your hip. ये देखो, even without moving my feet. 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये देखो 6 and
Done. 1, 2, 3,
4, 11. No wrist movement.
So your target is neck. So that is your diagonal downward hits. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? 1, 2, 3. So you have to train mindfully. इधर काटना है. 1, 2, 3. Then downward. Cut is you're holding a knife. When you hold a stick, the strike is from here till here. When you hold a knife, it's not 1 to 7. It's just 1. Got it?
Loudly strikes का नाम बोलेंगे. Diagonal, diagonal, reverse diagonal, reverse diagonal, horizontal, horizontal. Got it? 5. Diagonal.
Thrust, thrust, thrust.
This is basic knife training. You should know how to use a knife before you learn how to defend against one.
7 and 8.
मेटल नाइफ है, आराम से आंख में मत मार लेना अपने, ठीक है? ऐसे मत करो आप, आपका ये जा रहा था.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, thrust and slash. Come back. Ready? Set, count.
1, 3, 8.
Go. 1, 2, step back. 1, 2. Okay, now deliver a jab. Boom.
2, 3, 4, 5. Go 1, 2.
Buckle out. Yes. Cut the neck. Yeah. All of you have trained with me solo define, correct? You trained solo define, solo, jabbing, thrusting me. You have trained this. You know this, correct? Okay. Now we are going to practice gunting define. Scissor 1, get outside. Okay, 2, get outside. 3,
Oh,
cut. 4, cut. Can I dirty you a little bit?
yeah, Shivu.
Yeah. The range like sparring, okay? Oh, I don't want to engage. Sometimes, okay. Gunting is done when you feel you have no space to move. Pressure is very strong and you need to go to zero pressure zone. It is then you use paksaw and a cut. Okay? This is solo define. Gunting define would be 1. See?
Yeah, Shivu. That's blood.
Angle 2 can be like this. 2
Nuclear.
can be open, umbrella. Okay. 3 would be parry. Cut this. This is where the vein is. So it's here, you see? Move. Cut this. 4, cut and release. Straight step. 5. Okay.
Shivu.
So you guys are gonna feed each other. Means I feed him.
Shivu.
Go, I feed him. Defend.
Oh, good
Gunting,
night,
go
Shivu.
that side. 1, okay, stay there. 2, go this side. 3, go this side. 4, go this side. 5, okay, 5. Then the pattern of Nimrado will become angle 1, 3 and angle 5. So we will do one footwork first.
Sure.
Go back. You will do chaksai chakwai. Now I am a bull.
Yeah, Shivu.
The bull walks. Go, get away. Yeah, just stay there. Stay there. Yeah. And I start to feel it. No need to touch me to
Shivu.
get out. The first is you don't stay there. Don't stay. Yes. Yes, he's not there, okay? Second stage, okay? I feed him 1. Okay? So my speed is the main thing. The person feeding is the most important thing. So I feed him not like this, not like this. I feed him this. Angle 1. And then I turn my whole body to angle 3. And then I walk towards him with angle number
5.
5. So you gunting me 1, 2, 3. Once you get comfortable with this, we will start introducing our third hand. So we go 1, 2. Okay. Yes. Oh, move. Then you increase. Yes. Yeah. So now, side kick. So you have to do solo disarms. You have to add the elements. It can be a 1. He disarms. Oh, I know this. Boom. You have to cut this one. Yeah. So you start initiating the elements inside that. You understand? Playing like you're sparring. Cut me. Yeah. Move. Flashlight torch. Yes. Move. Yes. No need to touch. Solo disarm.
Oh, just.
Yeah, just
Okay,
this.
Shivu.
Move. Yes. That's it. Move. No, that's wrong. That's when you die. Jam my thrust.
Shivu.
Boom. Yes.
Shivu.
Boom and out. This was good thing because there was no space.
Shivu.
Now it's no sequence of motion. I'm the one attacking
Oh,
you.
sure.
You are the one defending. Yeah, move around. Now he's moving around. You go 1. That's when you use Nimrado. So जिसको देख के आप excite होते हो, that is only attribute training. Like Simrada, this is only attribute to build your body mechanics because your body mechanics is not moving. See, now I'm using the triangle footwork. Can you see me? Move, 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 move. Back to sparring. Now you move better. So that training is going to help you in your.
Shivu, it's like shadow boxing.
But when you fight, the more you train this, less is your chance of dying in the street. The more you train that, higher is your chance of dying in the street. But it'll give you more Instagram likes. So the choice is yours. Understand? Think, move. Yeah, you move like nice, sorry. Yeah, move. Ah.
Oh,
Now you use your
Shivu,
going kick.
Shivu,
So you have to now use either hand.
Shivu.
Then we go to Nimrod. Got it? Yeah,
Sure.
start. Those who are having metal knife, kindly be very careful. सस्ते में मत लेना इसको. Up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good job. Oi. Ah.
Oh, nice.
Good. Oh, Ganesh. अब क्यों कर रहा है? हाथ में मत. पर्दा फाड़ दूंगा. Stop. ये कट हो गया. Man, don't look. You're not here to look. You're here to train. आपकी भी कराएंगे sparring. You better train first. ओए. ओए. हाथ से स्टैब रोका. तस्वीर ऐसे करेंगे. Oh my God.
दोनों के लगा.
Okay, stop. Chito stays in. मिश्रा जी टायर्ड नहीं होना आपको बोला ना. So move around, move around. Yes, good Praveen. Yeah, that's it. So this is for body dynamics. You see, that's when you need Samrada footwork. You see, yeah, Samrada footwork. Hai. Yes, this dynamic. Yes. So every time I'm cutting low, you slash high. Boom. So that's almost like roundhouse kick. Boom. You deliver a kick. Yeah. Yeah. Song. Bang. Yeah. इसके तो बहुत रंग दिखेंगे. ये फेयर एंड लवली हमारा. इसकी खाल में मेरे में दिखेंगे नहीं. मैं काला हूँ ना. Keep. Move. Don't waste energy. Why 4-5 redondos? See now you are. अब breathing आ रही है. हाँ. So relax. Easy. जितना ज़्यादा आप स्पार करते हो, start going more softer. Last 5 rounds होते हैं. You have to save your energy. Yeah. Move. Oh, बच गया. Move. Oh. Got cut. Other out. हाथ कट रखे.
Pull and push at the
Very
same
good.
time.
Move. Medium range. Defang on 1, defang on 3, defang on 5. Numrado. So I'm moving and watch. It's like a slow moving Tai Chi. I continue. Oh. I'm on 2. Hey, hello. Keep going, keep going behind me.
Shivu.
I don't turn, you don't turn. See, keep stay behind me. Stay behind me. Yes. Oh, he comes here. I have to turn. Oh, okay, that's it. Feed him 3. Then go back to 1. Go back to 3. Go back to 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5.
Shivu.
But first, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shivu.
Go. Move. Move. Two के बाद क्या आनी चाहिए थी? Roundhouse kick.
Sure.
Angle 2 roundhouse kick. Common sense sir. 2 roundhouse kick. हाँ move. Back fist. जब available था back fist swing करने को. Again angle 2. Roundhouse kick. Back fist. 2 angle 1. हाँ move. एक ही जगह खड़ा होकर तू भी फिर. Move. Calm. Move. Oh.
Shivu.
Oi. Control. Oi. Aye. Move. Oh.
Shivu.
Yes. Oh,
Shivu.
That's what's gonna happen when you
Shivu.
fight.
Shivu.
State of movement slowly. Yes, this. चाकू लेके आ. Yes. 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 Good job. There you go.
Shifu, termination.
Okay, sit. Ready? 1, 4, keep beating. 3, 5, 2, 1. Random. Right combination. Okay, repeat again. Yeah, random. Move. Move. Deliver a kick also in between. Yes. Pressure. Terminate. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go back random. Pressure. And dominate. Good job. Adar, come inside. Move. Keep moving. Why are you stuck in one place? Move. Nice sparring. Keep your knife with you. Step back. See and pressure. And dominate. Okay. You can do that on a solo defang, or you can do that on a gunting defang. Pressure him to terminate. Now this is after so many years of doing knife, I realized that's the only way you fight. When you are in a fight, all that fancy technique goes out of the window. And only this works. It is not, and here, technique 1, and I disarm the stuff. By that time, I have this and this and this, so many to fight. So whenever he's starting, and then I have to take care of this. So you see, all my classical moves is not going to work. So the more you train this, your brain will get so much tuned to fighting multiple opponents. So instead of delivering a roundhouse kick, so 1 and delivering this, when he gives a roundhouse kick, I give a groin kick, and I deliver. I separate him from that jund. And I do walk him. Oh no, I take care. Both are good. One is meant inside the cage, the other is meant for street. Street, because once he holds me, he can shield me against Adhar who's trying to punch him. Boom! And push me on him. Boom! So this can work as a stacking shield mechanism for him.
Sure.
Understand? Good. जितना इसको करोगे उतना बढ़िया होगा. ये आपको आना चाहिए. जो मेरे डोजो में है वो ये प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. ये आपका बॉडी डायनामिक्स बनाएगा. बट इससे लड़ाई सीख नहीं रहे हैं. दिस इज ओनली फॉर योर attributes. Separate sparring, and now you see, look at the movements. See, this is attribute training. And before, when you don't know how to spar, you don't do this drill. You are like, and then when you know how to, okay. See, you're gonna train this hard every day.
आप आ जाओ जी. ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ
ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ
1 flip. Okay, be mindful of where your hand is. He switches. I need to feel that shift. Okay, and now what you need to understand is where my hand placement is. This is my shoulder, his elbow here. That's the lock. This is where I'm keeping it for now, but I can keep it here as well.
Let's do it barabar.
Right? He pulls his elbow down. Pointing this down, he's trying to flex his arm,
Bicep.
which he can. Strong, no problem. Yeah? कितना crucify करेगा? तो छोड़ दे.
तो गाइस इवनिंग सेशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है राइट नाउ 4:35 PM एंड हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं लॉक फ्लो ड्रिल. किसी ने अगर आप ऐसे ग्रैब कर रखा है सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट एज सिंपल एज जैसे हम दिखा रहे हैं. बट इफ ही पुल्स आई गो
Hey, foot lock.
अपवर्ड लॉक. शिवू सॉरी.
Again. Oh, again. 1. Yeah. Turn. So this is 1.
शिवू.
Now go 2. No, I should down and flow him up. Yeah. So when he presses the elbow down, like roll bounce out and drag him here.
Shivu.
Okay?
Yeah, Shivu.
Yeah. Now when he tries to pull the elbow up, that's your figure, not this figure 4.
शिवू.
So what I'm trying to show. One hand figure 4,
ओह शिवू.
which is more powerful, but you can do that in the lock.
शिवू.
That's your figure 4. And then you release when he tries to resist.
Go for an
You
arm.
insert, and then that's your elbow lock.
शिवू.
Resist here.
Drag. Up. Down. And then this, then this, this, one. आया?
Yes.
ऊपर तो उठाओ। अय्या, गिलोटीन, गिलोटीन नहीं,
गिलेटिंग उधर है।
इधर है। अब हाँ, अब ये रिस्ट वापस एंड किक किक। हाँ एंड नाउ हाँ बस।
Your 4 is this. Yeah. It's not this.
शू
The key is this. Don't walk like this. See the direction. Walk. Then
छोटी छोटी चीख निकल रही है अन्नी सर की।
लॉक लगाते हुए अगर स्ट्रेंथ लग रही दैट मींस आपका लॉक ठीक नहीं है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट पावर. यू हैव मोर पावर देन मी. तो मेरे से ज्यादा बड़ा चलाता है, मेरे को वेट मुझे उठा के डंप भी कर सकता है. बट
7 पे
इट्स
मतलब
अबाउट
एक्सपोजर।
joint. Will can you off balance it? It's not how hard he is holding you. Understand? That's a very simple thing to do. Mindfully करो उसको. Okay?